little bit of power. More strong like the Tacoma.
Yeah, no, it's not the Tacoma. Definitely not. This is not on that type. Yeah, this is not on that type of level.
Tacoma is not built for speed.
Yeah, the brakes on these things.
Yeah, it does.
Like it feels like it's trying to pull you into another dimension or something.
Oh my god. I believe the speed tonight. Wow. Wow. I like the power.
Yeah, the thing is real nice. That's why you need to get one of the GLE coupes.
Yeah, I definitely
those
would
things.
get one of those. Probably definitely would get one of those.
Yeah, when I was on the way back, I was driving with one. We were driving down probably for like 2 hours. So we came down, dude. We made some good. We traveled a good ways driving with that guy.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I definitely would get one of the GLE, the 450 or the 500.
You have to do the 43 coupe or the 53 coupe. Like the AMG one, so it has all the options. It has the mean body kit thingy on it, like so it has like all like the back muffler with the
Jesus.
I think it has like either 325s on the back or 335, something like that.
Yeah, I like them, man.
Go on the main street.
No, sorry, no, I'm gonna go.
So you can give it some juice.
The sound too.
Yeah. Yeah, I have this thing so I can program the transmission so it stays in the gear a little longer. So I'm gonna do
what do you mean stays in the gear a little longer?
So like you get more torque out of it, because like even in the M mode, it wants to switch the gear, it wants to kick the gear up quick. Unless you floor it, then it'll drop the gear down and then it'll put you into boost and go.
Oh, okay. A long time I'm not gonna have to look good.
Yeah, it looks different.
So that's where you see the turkey them didn't come from.
Yeah.
All the whoop turkey.
Yeah, the turkeys and coyotes and stuff. Wow, look at that.
Oh man.
I actually like things like that. I always wanted to buy one of those and put like one of the new like like those the Corvette engines in it, like how people put those things like on the ground, make like a rat rod truck thing out of it. I always wanted something like that. Yeah, Uncle's 7 Series.
Oh, that thing.
Yeah.
Glenn.
Thing is nice.
Your uncle.
Yeah. The rich uncle.
I'm in for about 70,000.
Yeah, because he got it like when it came out.
000.
Yeah, it was like 90 something because he got it like right when it came out.
Hell, no, sir. No, sir. Me I pay that amount for a car that it's gonna be one
like
of the
AMG.
AMG Mercedes you ever can find. One of the wickedest AMG. You know?
Yeah, I've been seeing them. I want one. Like, thing looks good. Watch out for the tires too, kid.
I'm looking at it. I'm seeing it through the mirror.
Remember, these are 275 in the front and 315 like the black one.
For you